In this video, I will show you step by step how you can return your iPhone battery health back to normal, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the first thing we want to do is we want to head over to settings, and then now what we now need to do is we now want to locate battery and then click on this option right here. So once you do this, what you will then be able to do is you will then be able to see all of the different information about the battery that you are currently using. So what we need to do is we need to click on battery health. Now, as you can see, my battery health is listed as normal at the moment and my maximum capacity is at 100%. So if we go back, we can go over to charging, and then the first thing we need to do to make sure that our battery doesn't die completely before, it's meant to, is we want to put the charge limit down to 80%. Which will give us more efficiency on our battery. Now once we've done this, we can then head back over to battery health, and then on this page there's not actually anything that we can do if we want to return our battery health back to normal. If this does drop down to below normal and the maximum capacity is less than 100%, that will mean that our battery is starting to decrease and the life of the phone will be a little bit less. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.